Two big names in the world of tax filing. TurboTax versus FreeTaxUSA. Which one really delivers? On the left, TurboTax, known for expert guidance and a premium experience. And on the right, FreeTaxUSA, ultra affordable with IRS-compliant filing. Let's skip the buzzwords and get down to what actually matters for your tax return in 2025. We'll compare each category, tally the points, and by the end, you'll see which service comes out on top. The results just might surprise you. Okay, real quick, here's a mind map with all the main things we're comparing. Price, tax pro assistance, mobile experience, features and guidance, supported tax situations, ease of use, and, user ratings. Pretty much the basics, but also the quirks that might surprise you along the way. Ready? Let's jump in. Let's start with price because, who doesn't want to save money on taxes? So, TurboTax does offer a free edition, but only for super simple returns. Think W-2 incomes and little else. And sure, there are discounts now and then, but as soon as you add investments or freelance gigs, those costs can rocket up. You want a state return or to talk to a real expert? That's extra. Now, FreeTaxUSA, the name kind of says it all, federal filing is free, even for self-employed or folks with investments, and state returns are a flat $14.99. Pretty unbeatable, honestly. Low-cost upgrades if you want extra support, but still, nothing crazy here. There are a few minor upsells, but you know what? Overall, the price just, blows TurboTax out of the water. Winner for this one? Definitely FreeTaxUSA. Next up, Tax Pro Assistance. So, TurboTax is like the luxury spa of tax help. You can literally call, chat, or even video with a live expert. They'll walk you through stuff, review your entire return, even file it for you if you want. Just keep in mind, prices go up for all that personal touch. FreeTaxUSA, though, is very much DIY first. You'll get email support, live chat, and if you really want a pro, there's a $49.99 upgrade for video/phone help. But no full-service filing and expert help is kind of limited to pricier plans. So if you want a human guiding you hand in hand, TurboTax is still king here. All right, let's talk mobile experience, because a lot of us totally rely on our phones nowadays. TurboTax has this super smooth app. Honestly, it almost makes doing taxes feel easy. You'll get push alerts for refund and status updates, and the app covers pretty much all the desktop features, except maybe a couple more complex things. FreeTaxUSA? Sorry, no mobile app. It's just their website. Like, you can file on mobile browser, but there's no dedicated app. So, kind of a letdown if you want to file from the couch or squeeze in some tax work between TikTok videos. TurboTax wins this one hands down. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. TurboTax has been around since 1984, making it a total OG in the tax software game. Kind of wild that it's been helping millions with taxes for, 4 decades now? Features and guidance. TurboTax packs in all sorts of bells and whistles. Interactive refund tracking, error checking at every step, and even some basic tax planning tools to help you prep for next year. Sometimes details can get overwhelming, but if you want to know where every dollar is going, it's perfect. FreeTaxUSA keeps things simple. It's easy to navigate, you've got eligibility checks for credits, and they make filing straightforward. But if you're after advanced guidance or full refund details, it's a bit more meh. No frills and fewer planning options. So, for people wanting a lot of hand-holding and extras, TurboTax is the clear winner. Supported tax situations, like who can actually use each software. TurboTax goes all out. You've got support for S-Corps, partnerships, C-Corps, investments, self-employment, multi-state returns, the works. If you own a business or have a side hustle, you're covered, but you do pay for it. FreeTaxUSA is kind of surprising here. You still get free federal filing even if you have investments or freelance income. Most individual stuff is fair game, but business filers with S-Corps or partnerships? Sorry, you're out of luck. So for anyone with complicated business stuff, TurboTax has the edge. Ease of use. All right, TurboTax is all about super user-friendly, step-by-step hand-holding. Explanations everywhere so you aren't left feeling clueless. But sometimes the fees sneak up and aren't totally clear up front, which, can be a bit annoying. FreeTaxUSA, clean, simple interface, really easy to import info, and it's no frills, just straight shooting. Although some folks run into confusion on state filings, it's mostly effortless. So honestly, they both get the job done. Calling this one a tie. User ratings. This is always interesting. TurboTax has an accuracy guarantee, which is a nice safety net if you're worried about messing up. But here's the thing. Reviews are really mixed. Like Trustpilot, just 1.2 out of 5, over 600 reviews. Not great. FreeTaxUSA, on the other hand, gets endorsed by the IRS as an approved e-file provider, and it consistently scores higher than TurboTax on review sites, even though it's not perfect. Some folks wish it was totally free for state returns, and there's no free phone support, but overall, happier customers. So yeah, FreeTaxUSA sneaks a win here. Okay, let's zoom out for a second and look at the big picture. Comparing all those categories side by side, TurboTax scores high on features, expert help, mobile experience, and can handle the most complex tax situations. But FreeTaxUSA absolutely dominates on price and user satisfaction, and it does a really solid job for straightforward filers. So, you know what? Here's my honest take. If you want all the bells and whistles, lots of expert support, and the flexibility to file complicated returns, even on your phone, TurboTax is hard to beat, but you'll pay for it. If you're mostly comfortable filing taxes on your own, want an ultra-affordable way to get it done, and you're okay with just using a website, FreeTaxUSA is kind of a no-brainer for 2025. Was this breakdown on TurboTax versus FreeTaxUSA helpful for clearing things up? If you're gearing up for tax season, just bookmark this video so you're ready when it's crunch time. Trust me, future you will